about a murder in Kaziwada area of Ponda. Immediately teams reached the spot. FSL teams were called, dog squad was called, which examined the scene of crime. A case was registered on the complaint of Mr. Pritesh Kamath, who informed the police about murder of his mother, who is 75 years old, and his aunt was 65 years old. So the scene of crime was examined and all of the leads were developed. Based on technical analysis and collection of other evidence, the accused was identified who had committed this crime, and he was arrested. During interrogation, he confessed to the crime. We have already shared the details of the accused. His name is Mahadev Ghadi. He is 34 years old. He works in a private company in IDC Varna. During investigation, it revealed that he was familiar with the victim family for more than 10 years, and he used to come regularly and visit their house. He had taken a loan from deceased lady Jeevan Kamath, which for more than a year, which she was insisting him to return, but he didn't have the money to return that time, so he was buying some time. And yesterday also he came to their residence to discuss this loan issue. So during that discussion, there were some hot words were exchanged, and he attacked first the deceased lady whom he had taken loan from, Jeevan Kamath, and when her elder sister came to intervene, he attacked her also. As I said that he was known to the victim, so there was when we visited the scene of offence, we could make out that it was a friendly entry, so that the accused must have been known to the family. So based on this initial input, we scanned through all the friends, relatives and acquaintances who were known to the victims, and later on, based on other technical evidences and interrogation.
He went to his place.
Yes, went to his place.
And relaxing magic.
We have recovered blood-stained clothes from him.
Is he any history seeker or what type?
No, he is not. But he has some other bad habits of gambling, and he goes to casinos also. So he had incurred a huge amount of debt, not only from the victim family but from other people also.
Okay.
So loan was the only motive behind the murder?
Yes.
So what was the
As we
instrument?
speak, till this time of the investigation, the main motive is the dispute over that loan.
So what was the instrument used for murder?
He had used the same weapons, like in fact the articles which were there in the kitchen, so that were seized from this spot.
Sir, how much was the loan?
Loan amount.
Loan amount was approximately more than 2.5 lakhs.
Any mobile conversation between both of them?
That we have recovered some evidences. As I said, technical analysis of various evidences of mobile as well as other CCTVs and all.
What about the accused family background?
He is unmarried. And he's a native from Bijoli.
So his previous history?
We don't have any previous history of him. There is no criminal case registered against him.
Sir, at what time the incident happened?
We received the call at around 1 o'clock yesterday, and the probable time was approximately 1.5 or 2 hours before that.
But I have heard that he is origin from Karnataka, and last so many years they are staying at.
Yes, his family is here only. He lives here in Bijoli.
They are
Only
native
one
of
weapon was
Karnataka.
used, sir. Only one weapon was used.
That is part of investigation. We are still, because we have to. The postmortem has been done today, so we will further investigate about the
No, postmortem reports you have got?
Postmortem? No. Postmortem has been done today, but we are yet to get the report.
Thank you, sir.
Remand is taken? Remand for
He will be produced before the judge.
Is related to drugs or something?
Nothing as sort has come to the fore during investigation, but it has come that he has incurred a huge amount of debt from many people.
And what was the first lead, sir, that
The first lead, as I shared with you, that there was no forced entry in the house. So that gave us the first lead. That the accused must be known to